In this video, you'll learn how to create a free digital marketing agency website using WordPress and Elementor. By following these steps, you will be able to set up your website efficiently. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com site, open your preferred web browser, and type in the address for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sites option on the top navigation bar. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Next, locate the Create with AI button prominently displayed on the screen. This feature will assist you in building your website with AI-generated suggestions. Clicking this button will initiate the site creation process, allowing for a more streamlined experience. After clicking Create with AI, you will see a message indicating that the foundations for your site are being laid. This step is crucial as it sets up the basic structure of your website. Please wait for this process to complete before moving forward. Once the AI is finished loading, you will be greeted with a message prompting you to make a website that is unique to you. This is your opportunity to think about the specific features and design elements you want for your digital marketing agency. At this point, type in free digital marketing agency website into the text field provided. This action will help the AI understand the type of website you wish to create. After entering your text, ensure you click on Enter to confirm your input and proceed. Following this, WordPress.com will present options for creating a free digital marketing agency website. Review the suggestions carefully to see what aligns best with your vision. Once you have chosen an option, type in the selection provided and again click Enter to move forward. Next, you will encounter a prompt asking you for your website's title, which is the name that will appear in the browser tab. Type in your desired site name and confirm by clicking Enter. This is an important step as it identifies your brand online. After successfully entering your site title, WordPress will ask you for a tagline or description that summarizes what you help people do. This tagline will be displayed in search results and social media previews. So think carefully about this description, type in your tagline and click Enter to proceed. Continue by clicking on Create My Site, which is usually a button at the bottom of the page. This action will finalize your website creation process and initiate the setup of your new site. You will then see a message saying, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that WordPress is working on generating your website. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take some time, so be patient. As your site generates, a loading indicator will appear showing the progress. It's important to remain on this page until the process is fully complete, as navigating away could interrupt the setup. Finally, you may see a message that states this might take a while. This is a normal part of the website creation process. Wait until the site is fully generated to ensure that all features are properly set up and functional. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.